It's like a cooking show.
Oh, I forgot they have prickles on them. It's like thorns. Sorry, bad for getting your. Oh. It's. Right. We're gonna make another one, and I'm gonna use this as the starting branch, not part of a dead twig, which I found on the floor.
Hi.
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 Yeah, that doesn't work. Hey. Yeah. So hey guys. Hey. I'm Jack. I can't reach the floor, so I can't come closer. Hi. I'm Jack. I'm a photographer. I know what you're thinking. This channel is called Jack and Chloe's Photography. So where's the Chloe? Oh god, she's got a lot of flowers because this video is about how to do flower photography. There she is.
Hi.
Hi.
I just licked this by accident.
Oh, you idiot.
It's garlic. Oh, also I found a little pot which I'm going to use.
Technically I'm a photographer, even though I've only ever done one paid gig.
You got paid? Oh yeah.
This video is about how to do flower photography. Hosted by her, because I suck at taking photos of flowers. I can't stop the gate. So yeah, oh my god, I have no control of this thing. So,
ow! Oh, I forgot I pricked prickly things. This is the stuff that I have to work with so far. I found bluebells. I have 2 pieces of garlic, this absolutely massive yellow flower, which I can't remember the name of.
that one.
This one. I found some holly as well.
They're not dandelions, because they're the one that I think we're going to do a shoot later with you blowing a dandelion. That sounds very weird. That makes more sense later.
But there is literally like no dandelions. Are these daffodils? No, they're the big ones. No, there's like 2 or 3.
Daffodils are the ones, the yellow, but the other ones go two are kind of, they're like big yellow bluebells.
Bird.
Dandelions are the ones where you blow them and they all fly away and you make a wish. And then those ones are called yellow flowers.
They are now known for as it's garlic. They're now known as just the yellow flowers.
To be honest, this isn't more of a tips video than it is a we're doing photography.
Yeah,
we're doing flower photography.
I want to make a little bouquet. Bouquet. One of them. I did make one earlier, but then it fell off the stick.
As you saw at the beginning.
Yeah, it fell off a stick into stinging nettles, and I didn't want to get that out, so I went and picked new flowers.
Alright, let's go. That was technically cheating. You meant to do it by the thing and then come out from the black, but I've got a microphone here, so I can't. I go there and it's like salt rock.
Found.
Let's see if I can change the focus. Pre-warning guys, my focus is busted, to put it simply.
You dropped it.
I mean, go on, let's turn it on. I mean, it still works. It's noisy as all hell because I'm recording on a 650D. Now, anybody who's got a 650D knows that the lens, the front element actually moves and the motor is loud as all balls. That and the fact that the software just sucks. It can never keep me in focus, as you can see. But then it gets to a certain point. Okay, it's not too bad now. But it gets to a certain point and it just can't. It goes
You want to know why it's not too bad now?
Why?
Because you told everyone it was terrible.
Yeah. Should we do an intro video and like explain the gear that we use? Because there's also another camera in my pocket. If you want to see it, oh, seagull, Jesus, that scared the shit out of me. So yeah, if you want to see a like introductory video that aren't about flowers, then let us know. Just FYI, we are not professional photographers, so anything we say do not take literally. And if you do and it looks terrible, it's not our fault.
Purple. They're called bluebells. They're purple. Yellow, please. Yeah, I don't really have a lot to say. I'm just placing them in an arrangement that looks nice.
You crapped 3 bits of garlic. You crapped 3 bits of garlic.
No, that's not garlic.
You picked 3 bits
That's
of garlic.
not garlic.
It is?
No?
No, it's not. We are not naturists.
White.
Which white?
Not to the garlic.
Do you want to see some magic?
You broke something,
Ready?
I swear.
Ready?
Ow, did you just stab that?
Yeah. Ah, shit.
I'm gonna get you to hold it. You want garlic in your eye. Hold this, please. Oh, it's kind of cute.
That actually looks pretty cool.
So, go away, you're ruining it.
Oh, okay.
Here is my little flower pot. I put some grass in the back to... Why are you here? To fill it out. It's quite... I don't think it's actually properly in focus. Oh, there you go. It's quite cute. It's got some nice flowers in it. Smells like garlic, but I've got a blocked nose, so it's not too bad. Right.
Ow.
Now we're gonna do a photo shoot, and I'm gonna make him hold it and act like a girl. But he's already halfway there, you know, with the hair. Hold this. Don't squish it. Ow! Right. Wait there. Don't do anything. I said you can talk, not wiggle. You moved.
It's out of the shot now. I'm like one of those solar panel things. You know what I mean?
The ones that do this.
Yeah, but I can't really do that. Oh, the grass is going to fall out. Babe,
I told you. Well, keep it still. Stop moving. Made a daisy chain, but I'm also putting some grass on it so that it will fit around the plant pot. And then I'm going to tie this bit here. Actually, I'm going to tie that bit in a minute after I put it around the plant pot. What were you doing?
I'm free!
Hold it again.
No.
It's okay.
Flowers.
I have an Olympus OMD EM10 Mark III. It's got a really long name. And then I have this lens. How is it pronounced?
Miki.
Mikey. Meek. It's a nice lens. It's I'll remember it in a minute. It's a 50mm and it's f2. Oh, and then the camera's macro 4/3, but I think every Olympus camera is. Hi, I'm over here. Oh yeah.
I don't have a lens wide enough to show the both of us. Especially when it's a 50mm lens on a micro 4/3, so she's got to be like 12 miles that way.
I'm telling you how.
No.
Why?
Because then we can go get lunch quicker if you don't.
We haven't eaten so.
It's really late, we haven't eaten, so you're gonna have to. That was not my fault.
You saw that fall, right? I think this is an improvement.
I'm not a flower photographer.
He is a portrait photographer,
Yeah,
and I do everything else.
Birds, they're not flowers. My nose is itchy.
No!
There's the grass nearly in my face.
Stop it.
I'm good.
Right. Wait, keep that face.
Why?
Take it a bit further back. But not too far, because then your face will be in focus. Wait, look at it again.
Ah, it's bright. That was bad. Can I have a request shot?
What is your request shot? Is
So
it you
just-
throwing it up?
No.
Go!
That didn't work. That also didn't work. It's like all over the floor, just like.
I didn't even take a photo of it like on its own.
Oh, you just got my ugly mug in all of them.
I'm crying.
Alright, this has been random. Actually kind of fun though. Should we do more of this? Yeah, we're going to do more of this. Hopefully with better shoots and better equipment. This area is Mincing Lake, and this is like, I'll be honest, this part here, I'll show you. This part is literally like one of those walk-through bits, that gate where you gotta like pull it, because like normally it's like here and you gotta like open it and then go all the way around. You gotta come in here and then you gotta shut it open again, and then you're out. Yeah. Yeah, probably. Yeah, we've like never been there before. This is the first time we're actually like up on. I mean, look at this. Look at this view. We've never come to this part before, and we just made a whole video about it. So, imagine what we can do in the places we do know stuff about. And plus, this whole area, this is like a tiny bit of Mincing Lake. So,
It's huge.
yeah.
Like this isn't even any of the lake.
Yeah, this is nowhere. There's a whole stream. There's a whole body of water. It goes right through the middle.
It's a massive spider.
Mincing Lake is probably where 90% of our videos is going to take place.
Or Exmouth.
Exmouth, yeah, up on Hawken Point.
We have one of those recorded, maybe we should edit it. Or just like put in the one clip where I'm, you know what I want about.
Yeah, riding me like a pony. Okay, that sounded very weird.
No, I was literally, let's do it again.
No, that's not happening. This is where 90% of our videos are going to be filmed.
Not right here, just in the...
Yeah, there's a lot of places. I was like, yeah.
We need to go now because it's bank holiday and that means everything shuts at 4.
Oh, bugger! Yeah, it's Monday. We should be at college. So, yeah. subscribe for more, like this video. Trust me, there's other stuff coming.
Names?
Huh?
Do they know our names?
Well, considering the channel itself is called Jack and Chloe's Photography, I'd imagine so.
Yeah, I'm Jack, he's Chloe.
We are working, well, I say working, that's what everybody says when they haven't done it. We're planning to do a review of a lot of stuff, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, we're planning to do reviews and stuff on that. Gosh, I thought she had the camera up. Yeah.
Oh no, it's in here.
Her camera, and you've got like what, 3 lenses. So reviewing all of that stuff soon. Plus, I've got an old lens. Bye, darling. I've got an old lens. Did you put my lens away?
No, it's on the floor.
On the floor? Oh, it's right there.
You mean the one that you dropped in the lake?
Yeah, review of this thing soon. If you know what it is, saw that behind me. If you know what this thing is, comment down below. We should be making a video on it soon, and other things. So yeah, see you later, guys.
Yeah, babe, it looks like you're weeing. What are you doing?
It's a good way to end the video, isn't it?